It's time to clean our Cloudforge humidifier. Today we are cleaning the T3 version that holds 4.5 liters of water. But these same instructions should work with both the T5 and T7 versions. Both first and second generation models. First, we'll want to gather some supplies. We'll be starting with the base of our humidifier. We'll need 2 cups of cleaning solution. If you have mineral buildup, I recommend a solution of 2 cups distilled water and 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. If you have algae or mold, I recommend 2 cups of a 3% hydrogen peroxide solution. Next, we'll need the cleaning brush that came with our Cloudforge. If you can't find yours, any soft bristle brush should do. I had to dig mine out of the big bag of ACI replacement parts. Last, we'll need some paper towels. Once we have our supplies, it's time to get started cleaning. We're going to pour our cleaning solution into the base of our humidifier and let it sit for at least 5 minutes. Then we will use our brush to scrub the interior of our humidifier. We want to make sure to remove all buildup from the nebulizer as well as the surrounding parts. Once we have given our Cloudforge a nice scrub, it's time to pour out that dirty cleaning solution. If you have the second generation T3, you may want to save some of that cleaning solution to soak the water filter in. Next, it's time to tackle the tank. Any leaks you experience between the tank and base of the unit are most likely caused by something blocking the tank valve. It's a tiny plunger with a spring and rubber cap located here. You'll want to make sure it's free of any obstructions. To achieve this, we'll form a defensive line right around here like so, and I've turned into John Madden for some reason. Sorry about that. Once we have checked our valve, the next problem area of our tank is going to be at the top. There may also be some mineral buildup on the lid that needs to be taken care of. We can wipe this off easily or break out the brush to get in tight spaces. Now we just need to refill our Cloudforge and put it back into action. How often do you clean your humidifier? What type of cleaning solution do you use? Have you ever experienced leaks due to a clogged valve? Let us know down in the comments. Depending on where your humidifier is placed and how often it is used, you can accumulate quite a bit of buildup while growing a crop. Keeping it clean between crops can keep it leak-free and operating at its best. I hope this helped some Cloudforge owners out there with questions about cleaning. And I hope to see you next time here on Show Me Hydro. Do you want to see what I'm growing? Join us over on Twitch at twitch.tv/showmehydro. You'll be able to see what's happening in the grow tents 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You can even control the view yourself with chat commands. The live stream can also be viewed on the new Show Me Hydro Live YouTube channel, as well as Kick and Rumble if you prefer those platforms. So join us live from the grow tent. I hope to see you there. Would you like to support the channel? Head on over to patreon.com/showmehydro to get all the garden updates, early video previews, Harvest Watch photos, and behind-the-scenes content you won't find anywhere else. Have you got a question you would like answered? Is there a topic you would like to see discussed in a video? Let me know in the comments and I'll see what I can do. If you enjoyed this video, remember to click that like button and subscribe.